He's the president of SGA, the voice of us students. On this episode of the Treehouse, we'll see if Seth Parsell can be the president of Wii Bowling. Stay tuned, everybody. Hello, and welcome back to our new show, The Treehouse. It's the show with the fun games and fun guests and fun consequences. Here we interview interesting people on campus and play Wii Bowling with them. And whoever loses does a crazy challenge. So we'll see about that. Today, I'm joined by Seth Parsell, the president of SGA. How are you doing, man?
I'm doing well, Justin. Thanks for having me on the show. It's good to be a part of the Treehouse.
Oh yeah, always have you here. So we're gonna get this show on the road, and we're gonna get this going. But first, I'm gonna ask you some questions. So what is SGA, and what is your role, and how did it get into it? How did you get into it?
Yeah, so SGA is the Student Government Association. We speak for the voices here on campus, so any student concerns, any new ideas for your campus. My role, I'm the president of SGA this year.
Okay.
Nice shot.
Yeah. And you're up, my man, you're up.
All right, we'll see how I do.
Go ahead.
You know, I used to be a bowler here on campus.
Got you. Oh man, I'm a beginner.
We'll see if I still have some skills.
But I'm a real player when it comes to the Wii Bowling, man.
Ugh.
And that's tragic. Tragedy just struck right
here. That was
here.
a tough split.
So tell us why a new student would want to be joining SGA.
Sure, so SGA is a great experience. You really get to get involved in campus, meet some new people, and make a difference.
Oh!
Just one pin.
One pin. It's always a tragedy when you see that strike.
Yeah.
I'm about to hit you with that golden magic. Oh!
Okay.
There we are.
Just
there
nine.
we are.
That's not a strike.
Got you. But you know what's coming, man. Sparing it up. Okay, come on. Oh my goodness.
Put a little spin on that.
Spoke too soon. These curves, man.
All right, see how we do this time.
Oh yeah. So once again, what's the most stressful thing about planning homecoming?
So homecoming is put on by a lot of different departments. This year, mainly the alumni, not department, but yeah, just like the alumni relations, I think that's what they're called. And then SGA, so there's a lot of communication that needs to happen and a lot of event planning.
Okay, I see that.
You see that spare?
I did.
Thank you.
Making me shiver in my boots. Come on.
Coming back.
Bring it up. Pray on them. Oh!
Okay. It's not bad.
Daddy's coming on a come up, y'all. You're seeing it right here.
Oh no.
Come on, baby. Really? This game is cheating me.
You're putting too much hook on that.
So is there anything new coming to homecoming this year?
Yeah, so this year we have an event called Davis Hall Larger Than Life. So normally it's just Davis Hall Follies, where it's like a talent show, variety act. Gotcha. But this year we're combining Coronation, the Alumni Awards, and then Davis Hall Follies.
Okay. So you're talking about a long enough evening, that's something.
It's gonna be probably around 2 hours, filled with fun, lots of events, and then to just kick off the last part of the evening, it's gonna be some fireworks, so.
Oh man.
It's gonna be big.
Okay. Looking forward to it. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay, nice.
That was a good spare.
That was. Nah, man. So, the bountiful host, the me, I'm on homecoming court.
Yeah, congratulations.
Looking forward to that. Thank you. Oh yeah, got the fam coming in, so you know how it is.
Oh yes.
Oh yeah. Got to show out. Even on the show, got to let them all know, like, hey, I'm that boy.
No, and
I'm really this dude missing all these spares. Like, come on, y'all.
It's okay. You're in cross country and track, right? Not
exactly.
bowling.
Tell the fans back home, pray for me, please.
Yes.
Please.
Oh.
No way. Okay.
That was close.
I'll give him that.
I'm almost in that strike pocket.
But yeah. So I've been living large, just taking it one day at a time, just looking forward to Friday, man.
Sure. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Some of us are, some of us aren't. So.
Oh yeah. So what is your favorite like memory from homecoming?
Yeah, so I guess last year it was a little different because it was virtual, but the homecoming dance happened in the dining commons, and they did a really good job. There was a lot of restrictions, but should I spin? Do the jump and spin?
Oh yeah.
No, but that was probably my favorite memory.
Got you. I understand that. Oh yeah. Oh, let's see where it's going. Let's see where it's going. Oh, come on. Oh my gosh.
Can't find that.
Oh, I'm shivering. I'm shivering, man. I'm really getting scared on this.
Keep hitting the spares.
I know, I gotta make a comeback on this one.
I think you're gonna be.
It's
really hold down B.
it's
not too hard.
It's really doing me like this.
Oh,
Come on,
okay.
let's go.
Okay. You responded well.
Let's go. So I'm looking at. Yeah.
Okay. See if I can do that.
Bringing that heat. Oh man.
That might be. There we go. There's a response.
All right, let's get to these questions before I start crying out here. What's your favorite part about homecoming, man?
Oh gosh, this year, I think Davis Hall Larger Than Life is going to be a great event. We've got a fun homecoming dance the next day.
Got you.
So, really want to see the students get involved.
Got you. Oh yeah, I'm hoping so. They really are getting me. See, my remote is sticking, y'all.
Okay.
Don't let this fool you. The treehouse is where it's at. I'm just doing what I can do.
Let's see that. Flick of the wrist.
Wow.
I'll take it. That's
Wow,
That's what you call
They're really hitting me
a
up with
Brooklyn strike.
They really hit
If
me
you're a
up with
bowler.
this. They really hit me like that. Really? Oh, they gonna do me like that?
That was close.
I'll give it to them.
In the gutter?
In the gutter. Really? Yep. So what we coming up after this? You'll see it. From what it looks like, me doing this final challenge. So Seth, you're up, man.
All right.
Might be this nasty, dreaded soda I might be having a drink. It's gonna be hardcore.
There it goes.
Oh, yeah.
Hi HU, I am Seth Parsell, the Student Body President of the Student Government Association. Our big event this Friday and Saturday is homecoming. Some of the top features will include a 50-year class reunion, a cross-country invitational, Davis Hall Larger Than Life, which will include coronation, Davis Hall Follies, and the Alumni Awards this year. And that is all on Friday, October 1st. Now on October 2nd, there's going to be campus tours, hay rides, men's basketball open gym. There's a Powder Puff Championship happening on the quad at 11. And to follow, there's a party on the quad, so you're not going to want to miss it. Later in the night, there's a homecoming dance for all the HU students, which will be held in the Upper DC. And this year, it is themed as a luau, so it'll be a lot of fun. Come out, come dance, and dress up.
Welcome back to the Treehouse, everybody. It's the moment we've all been waiting for, except for me. I'll see if I can attempt to survive this toxic waste and this mustard soda. I'm probably gonna die after this, but it's okay. It's gonna be okay. This isn't that bad. It's not that bad. Okay, oh my God. Oh God. This is, nah. Okay, well, if you had the power, I'm gonna answer this question. If you had the power to change anything at Huntington, what would it be? It'd probably be this taste in my freaking mouth. Okay? See you guys next time, hopefully, if I'm still here. Cheers.